Look at that. Oh, move it. Easy, she moves. Oh. Ran off.
Fuck is this thing, Zach? Fuck.
Did you get the only one that didn't have wheels?
That's the worst wheels ever. They work. What the fuck happened? I guess with the weight, they couldn't handle it.
I should just burn this thing. It's gonna be so.
Do you want to put it on there to give it the height to be able to maneuver it around, or how do you want to?
Actually, that's not a bad idea.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. What is it?
This little shit don't move.
Yeah, no doubt.
Turn that fan on. Some air circulation. Jesus, that thing's loud.
What?
Ah! Stuffy.
Close the door, turn the AC on.
Yeah. We're getting ready to put the fucking thing in the car. Let's go.
Hey, guess what? Don't you forget your torque converter.
Actually, yes, because that's got the input shaft for the transmission. So good. Which is also helpful because this is where the transmission bolts are too. Which is what we needed. So yes.
Key component. One to let you get it up there for a minute.
Which you also didn't want to make the statement.
You want me to get in there? Camera in there and we get the torque converter. Oh yeah, you stick that shaft in there. Spit on it?
Yeah.
Oh. You probably should have.
I don't think I ever told you that. We were working on the Camaro one time with Drew. And we're like, oh, I can't get the bolt off. Walks over there, spits on it. And the look on Drew's face goes, motherfucker, you just spit on my car? The bolt came undone and Drew's like,
Oh, he couldn't get it lined up.
Oh yeah, and then you spit on it.
I was like, here, dude, I got it. I was like, I've seen this in the movies once. You just gotta spit on it, it'll go right in.
It's son of a bitch if it didn't. He's like, alright, cool.
I really wasn't trying to spit on it, actually. I was just trying to make the sound effect, but oopsies.
The Lord works in mysterious ways.
He was really upset, too.
Yeah, yeah. need to crank, but let's.
What the fuck are you doing? Did I not hit record? Don't tell me I fucking missed all that shit.
Do over.
Get back on the ground. Maybe I didn't hit record. Alright, it's recording.
Alright, you think we pull this thing back a little bit? You're a little too close to the cow.
Yeah, hang on.
Hey, hold it back for me.
I'm trying to get a beautiful picture.
Fuck the picture right now. More. Alright.
Bust your ass on the camera, man. Bust your face on the camera.
Two. Roll it in. Ooh, fade out.
Yeah, I'll just leave that clamp open. I'm out.